Hello guys, this is Ask Anastasia and I'm gonna show you today this property. And what I want to show is when tenants moved out, so many people are scared of it, and I don't know what I'm gonna see inside. I didn't go in yet, but I just want to show you street and this property. This house was kind of the disaster when we bought it, and we purchased it sight unseen when we were still in California, and I just saw it online. This house was for sale for I still can remember, for $4,500. And you know, me sitting in California where property prices are about $500,000, and seeing this house for sale, of course I jump on it without knowing what I'm putting myself into. So this is small backyard. This house is duplex. First floor it's rented, and second floor tenant just moved out, and I'm gonna go inside and see how she lived. Condition of the property. This is the stuff that she left behind, and I will need to take care of it. Right now I already called my guy, who is doing cleaning out for me, so he's supposed to stop by today and give me a price, how much it's gonna be. And as you can see, this door is broken, so it's gonna go out of their security deposit. This door is locked. Let's go inside and see what's going on. I'm amazed, like it's look like these people, when they move out, they just leave all the stuff behind and buy new stuff. Okay, so this is the stuff that left behind, and this house always have this trash outside that need to be cleaned. This is unit number 1, tenant living there, and this is unit number 2, and we're going inside. I already opened, so let's get inside and see what's going on. They already turned off lights, and it's clearly she did not clean. Okay, so it's all need to be cleaned, and this is how it's looked, this unit. She left some balloons for me too. Okay, so room number 1. I don't know why they do this. You see all this plastic windows, and when you're pulling it off, paint is coming off. Closet. This is bedroom number 2. And she left some headboard which need to be taken out, and it's obvious broken window. We need to see which window is broken. I don't see it yet, but I'm sure I will. Some damage on the wall, some damage on the floor. I don't know what's can you believe they live in this unit for a year only, and that's what we are getting. Okay, this is bathroom. And she took very clean pictures of clean bathroom, which is not really clean, but it is what it is. Toilet. and closet. And we're gonna go to the kitchen. This is stove that probably never been cleaned. Okay. Cabinets, it's only the good wash, right? Broken cabinet here. Yeah, it's not closing. This kitchen was brand new 3 years ago when we installed it. Can you believe this? That's why I stopped installing new things in rental properties. And refrigerator, which you turn off electricity. And this is ripped linoleum. And we're gonna close this washer and dryer. And there is a leak from a second floor. So we have two bedrooms here, and this is the living room or whatever you want to call it. And we are going to the third floor, sorry. It's the third floor of the house, but it's second floor for this unit. And it has 2 more bedrooms here. What's wrong with these floors? It's really strange. Now some drawing. And here I have no idea what they did. And here is the leak that need to be fixed. Wall need to be painted. This thing, I don't know. One more small bedroom. Usually kids like this type of bedrooms. And another bedroom. And again, some wall repairs. And I don't know why they did this. Okay, so this is condition of the house when tenants moved out. Obviously you need to clean it or hire somebody who can clean it. It's some touch-up paint on the walls, you know, that need to be done. But other than this, I mean, it's not that scary, you know, when people are saying that, you know, tenants ruin the house when they move out. That's reality. That's what I see in this house. And as I start telling you a story about this house, let me see. They have I usually do not give them access to the basement, but from this unit they can just go down. I'm not sure if they're gonna be able to see it because they turn off electrical, but the reason why I'm not giving access, because what tenants usually do, they leave a lot of stuff inside this. Oh, this is a small storage, it's empty. Okay. And this is a basement. It's locked right now. I don't have a key, but it's completely empty. We lock it. This is a door that they broke, you know, when they were trying to get in. Oh, this is pipes. Nothing extraordinary, but for this house, I got screwed, I would say, by 3 different people. I had my friend who was here and she was helping me, but with this house, after I purchased and she went in because we cannot see it before we close the escrow, this was a complete disaster. I mean, we have to do everything here. We have to do new electrical, flooring, kitchen, bathrooms, new plumbing. Everything was need to be done. And what's happened here is that contractors start doing jobs, they give you estimate, and then they never finished job. And it's turns that I spent about $80,000 fixing this property. But as of now, this unit was rented for $1150, and unit downstairs, it's 2-bedroom only. It's rented for $800. So altogether, it's $1,950 every month. And from this, I'm paying for water. Water, it's about $150 every month. So I'm getting about $1,800 per month for the house that I spent $85,000 for. That was my big mistake, but it's turned out that it's not that bad anymore. What do you think? Thanks for watching, and I hope it was helpful and it's gonna remove some fear from, going to the rental business. Thank you guys.